In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover text on images in Wix. Creating an interactive and engaging website involves many elements, and adding hover text is one of those simple yet effective techniques to enhance user experience. So, let's dive in and explore how you can easily do this on your Wix site. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate to the website you're looking to add hover text to. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the Editor button usually on the upper right-hand side and click on it. This will open up your site in the editing interface, where you have access to a variety of customization tools and options to make your design stand out. Now that you're in the editor, make sure you're on the right page where you'd like to work with your images. If you haven't added an image yet, simply go to the Add button, represented by a plus sign on the left-hand panel, and select Image. This will prompt you to either upload a new image or choose one from the Wix gallery or your site files. Once you've decided on and added your image, make sure it's selected so you can start customizing it. With your image selected, you'll see a context menu appear with several options. Look for an option that says Add Link or Change Text, or you might need to click on Settings depending on your image type. Here, you want to find the Hover Interactions or Hover Effects settings that are sometimes located under the Settings gear icon. Not every image may show availability for hover text right away, so examine these settings carefully. Next, under Hover Interactions, look for the option to Add Hover Text, or sometimes it's labeled as Hover Box Text in some designs. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a text box where you can enter the hover text you want to display. This text should be concise, engaging, and informative, perhaps offering a bit more information about the image itself or a call to action to keep the viewer intrigued. Once you've typed in your desired text, you can usually adjust the font, size, color, and other formatting options to make sure it aligns with your site's design theme. Some of these settings might appear on a toolbar at the top or in a sidebar, so feel free to experiment until you find the look you like. Finally, it's crucial to preview your changes to ensure everything is looking as it should. Searching for the Preview button at the top right will allow you to see how the text appears when someone hovers over the image. Make any necessary tweaks, and once you're satisfied, don't forget to hit Publish so these changes go live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added hover text to an image on your Wix site, enhancing both the interactivity and the visual appeal of your website. Be sure to explore the wealth of other customization options available in Wix to continue improving your site's aesthetics and functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!